Kaseng All India Trinamool Congress hak arp khandai tri gujaliu ahaja arpuar kalapli ka office tray kam jongka kapadan halu wala chumia. The one player gani ka office the National General Secretary Kaseng AITC Abhishek Banerjee hak Jedar Ringka Ruba Charles Pingru President ka AITC Meghalaya baru Dr. Mukul Sangma unangyalam ka AITC Legislature Party. Hagani kasgi la pulong ru igjelang apo ka soso tham auditorium Hagabakino yalam bakiri khotjo ka AITC Meghalaya klawan bani shibbanta. Habakra ni ka jelang u Abhishek ulong baga pork lade baga jela Meghalaya kan pinkun no ka jingsinchar Jong Kaseng NPP ka sarkar ka bashusha panyaj ha Kaseng BJP.
We have to work shoulder to shoulder to make sure in the next 6 months every Meghalayan will have access to better roads, better education system, better healthcare facilities. Meghalaya has contributed to India's growth story time and again. Meghalaya is known for its hospitality. Meghalaya is known for its food processing. Meghalaya is known for its exports, its mining. But Meghalaya has not been given its due. This time, we are here to give Meghalayans his due. It's time you choose yourself and get yourself associated with Trinamool Congress to oust the corrupt government from power in the next 6 months. Put all your might, all your strength, all your vigor, and make sure one vote for Trinamool Congress, one vote, that means 5 democratic slaps in these people who have cheated you over the last 4.5 years. Conrad Sangma, who came to power with fake promises, with false narrative of double engine government. Look at how the double engine government is performing. This is not double engine, this is double heist, double robbery. Double engine government means no one will arrest no one. The central government can steal as much resource from Meghalaya they want. The Meghalaya police will not hold them accountable. And Conrad Sangma can do whatever he wants. The ADCBI will not harass him. This is double heist. We have to give a befitting reply to these people who has cheated us. And we have to show them their place. We elected them with hopes in our heart and optimism in our mind. And Conrad Sangma eventually became Conman Sangma. So I will tell you, if you have minimum dignity, self-respect left with yourself, stop behaving like a puppet. Stop behaving like a puppet of a state which has 35 lakh people who chose you as their elected representative to represent them at the world stage and at the national platform. In the next 6 months, I will come n number of times. If you want me to come here every fortnight, I'll be here, I assure you. Wherever you want me to go, I will go. I will put my entire might and weight behind each one of you sitting here. And Trinamool Congress as a party will put its entire weight behind the state unit. But each one of you has to make a commitment, has to make a promise to yourself that in 2023, Meghalaya will show the world its capability and its power and its strength. Not to India, but the entire world. Like I said, sun rises in the east. We have to show that in letter and spirit. That democratically this time, be it 2023 or 2024, the sun will rise in the east, not in the west.